Hey everyone, today we're diving into the True Beauty Glow device, a product that's been getting a lot of buzz online, especially on Instagram. Before we jump in, just a quick disclaimer, this review is based on my personal opinion and research, so take that into account. The True Beauty Glow device claims to improve your skin's appearance by using light therapy technology to reduce wrinkles, brighten your complexion, and boost overall skin health. The official website markets it as an easy to use portable skincare tool that can give you professional level results from the comfort of your home. Sounds great on paper, right? But here's where things get tricky. A lot of users on Reddit and other forums are calling out True Beauty Glow as a scam. One common complaint is that the device they received was cheap, generic, and shipped directly from China. Many report issues like the device not charging at all, plus customer service seems almost impossible to reach, with many people saying they never got a response after raising concerns. There are also reports that the packaging looks unprofessional with crooked stickers and inconsistent branding, which raises red flags about quality control. Overall, these user experiences paint a picture that doesn't match the glowing promises made in ads. For the final verdict, based on the research and multiple user complaints, the True Beauty Glow device in it doesn't seem to live up to its hype. The combination of poor product quality, charging issues, and poor customer service leads me to recommend steering clear of this device for now. Thank you for watching. Remember, this review reflects on my personal opinion and research.